I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad.
Hey guys, welcome back. Tonight I have a nighttime cleaning routine. This is going to be my winter routine, stuff I do just to set me up to start a great day. I feel like when I wake up to a clean house, I just feel so great and I feel like I can really start my day off on a positive foot. So today I am working with Grove Collaborative, and if you guys have not heard about Grove Collaborative, I'm about to let you know. I'm going to put you on. I'm going ahead and ordering my Grove Collaborative through TopCashback. So basically you're going to go ahead and sign in, make yourself an account with TopCashback, and they have over 4,000 different sites that you can, or stores you can shop from. I went ahead and just entered Grove Collaborative and it pops up right there. Automatically you're going to jump off and you're going to get yourself $4 cash back. I like going through TopCashback because they offer no minimum amount. Like you don't have to reach a threshold to go ahead and get paid out. So if you go on here, they see the special deals that Grove is offering. They have personal care bundles, baby bundles, the cleaning bundle. I went ahead and chose the home bundle for the cleaning products. So this is made possible if you go ahead and make a $20 or more purchase. So you go ahead and click on it. It's going to bounce you right over to Grove Collaborative. And you just go ahead and they give you a little thing here and they're telling you, hey, you're going to sign up today. This is the free gift you're going to get. It's the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, dish soap, multi-surface spray. They get some sponges and you get this awesome little caddy to hold all your cleaning supplies. Because if you're like me, you just running all over the house with stuff and then running back to the kitchen and then looking for something else. So yeah, this is what you're going to go ahead and get. What I do really like about Grove and going with them. Oh, wait, bonus. You're going to get this glass bottle and that glass cleaner. That glass bottle is bomb. I have one. Absolutely love it. So you're going to go ahead and check out your cart, okay? The cart's going to show you all your little freebies that are in there. This cart is going to come pre-stocked with things. You do not have to keep the things that are in this cart. You go ahead, you can clear them out, and you can order whatever it is you want. Looking at the Mrs. Meyer stuff, they have a huge selection of fragrances. If you go to the grocery store, Target, wherever, they have a very limited scent collection. Even for the holiday scents, Mrs. Meyer's Grove Collaborative got it all. They got you covered, okay? So you're going to see on here all the free items, but then you're going to start seeing stuff that has a dollar amount. You don't have to keep those. You can go ahead and X those off and go ahead and search the site for whatever it is you do like, but you are going to want to hit that $20 threshold to get all the freebies. If you go ahead and you look under the household cleaning essentials, I wanted to show you the different varieties of multi-purpose sprays. They have Mrs. Meyer's, they have that Auntie Fanny's, they have 7th Generation, they have Caldrea, which I know a lot of people love, Method. I mean, they have a huge selection. And guys, these are all products that are good for the home, good for the planet, good for your budget. It's non-toxic. You don't have to worry about having these things around your family. So I also wanted to share with you, they have stuff for your kids, for your pets, health and wellness, essential oils. But I wanted to show you they have a huge selection of vitamins, especially immunity stuff with cold and flu season here. Look at this. They have a huge selection. Elderberries, Zarbees. These are all really great natural products that I like to give to my kids, but I find it so hard. So go ahead, get you some. Order yourself some. Keep your family nice and germ-free. This is what I got. I went ahead and ordered the lavender scent. And let me tell you something. This lavender scent is the best. It's not I feel like other brands' lavender scent just was not smelling good to me. So this one smells so good. It's so florally, whatever. Fresh and, nice. And the stoneware set. I've been wanting this stoneware tray because everybody got one on YouTube and I wanted one. And of course the caddy because, it's awesome. So who doesn't want it? But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put these cleaners to the test and get my house clean. This was a Sunday night after dinner. I do this routine every single night because starting off to a clean house, guys, I just feel like I can just conquer the world. I don't feel overwhelmed or rushed. So I'm going to start just by cleaning up after dinner. I also want to touch on the TopCashback, okay? So they have over 4,000 retailers on this site. The thing is that I prefer this site over others is it has 100% commission is back to you guys. So it has higher rates than competitors and there's no minimum payout. You don't have to wait to hit that $10 threshold like other companies that we're not dropping any names on, okay? So, I mean, I really liked it. It was super simple. You just go ahead and sign in and yeah. So remember, if you're going to go ahead and and order your Mrs. Meyer's or your Grove Collaborative stuff, you're going to get a $10 Top Cashback sign-up bonus for going ahead and signing up, hitting that $25 at Grove Collaborative. You're going to get that free Mrs. Meyer's gift set. Remember, you got to hit that $20, and you're going to get $4 cash back just by starting it. Act fast, guys, because this deal is good to the end of February. So my dad came by to see us, and he brings the girls Reese's, and he buys me pre-workout. That's what I talk about, family support. He knows I got some goals. My old man's the best. What can I say? But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up this house, get everything straightened up, and just conquer this beast. So yeah, let's just get to clean.
You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep.
Okay, so I went to go bring the kids their earmuffs. Look at this. Look at this right here. And this was a long weekend. We were home for 3 days and snowed in because we had a snowstorm. Oh, literally, you just shut the door. Just shut the door and you act like this doesn't even happen. That, my friends, is real mom life. Back to cleaning.
He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another closer we can fly with the baseline. I know.
Okay, I need a show of hands. How many people have those joggers? The ones that you've had for years and years that have holes in them. There's literally no like texture left to them, but they fit so good and they're like your favorite to sleep and just lounge in. These are mine. I've had these through all 3 of my pregnancies and they're the best. There's paint on them, there's holes in them, but I love them. Everybody helps out around here. As you've seen, Rhea was helping out with the dishes. Becky's picking up her stuff. Benny's looking for whatever he can get into. But this is the book I've been reading and obsessing over. This is The Secret from Rhonda Brim, and I read it every morning. And then I go ahead and have my planner out. And then I've been also doing a little scripting to go along with, manifesting my goals and the law of attraction. If you guys are interested in that, just go ahead and message me. We can talk all about it. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and clean off this table. Leo is still watching these playoffs. I mean, am I the only person that is so happy that football season is near an end? I hope not, because I just can't deal with football. I'll listen to baseball, but football, I don't think so. I hate it. Sorry to all my football fans, but I just can't. I like the food. I'll eat the food all day long. But all right, yeah, just cleaning up my mess around here.
I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you.
Okay, so any of you guys who are living in the Midwest or like Northeast know all about this, like the shoe rug. You have to have an actual like extra rug by the door for all your snowy shoes because that's just how it is. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and putting away these extra pairs of shoes just because they're kind of wet. Some of them, the ones that are at least staying on the rug, are wet at least. And yeah, we got like half a foot of snow and now it's like -3 million. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up. I'm gonna put my gym bag away because your girl has been working out, staying consistent, hanging up the extra coats because it drops so quickly that we had to like put away like our like light winter coats for like our deep winter coats. Pulling out the vacuum because I got to vacuum all the pieces of salt from the ground. Like I said, if you guys live in a snowy place, you know all about the salt chunks that are on the floor when everybody comes in. It's just one of those things.
I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
I mean, let's give Rhea a round of applause because look at all that. She's showing you how sudsy and good this soap is. And it actually does smell really good. But look, I know we do not own a dishwasher. We don't have the space for it and our house is old. But a little dishwashing by hand did not hurt anybody. So I grew up washing dishes and so are my girls. So let's give her a round of applause for doing them chores. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and clean off my coffee bar. This has been a catch-all for all electrical little trinkets. you know, so I'm going to clean that off and just try to get it organized and ready for the next day. I like to clean off my coffee pot so it's ready for a fresh pot in the morning. Just got some extra protein bars that I leave out on the coffee bar for, you know, Leo to take to work. And yeah, also I wanted to touch on these new candles I'm about to show you. So I've been really enjoying the candles I've been getting at Walmart. They are so good. This one I think is called like maple coffee something or another. It's so good. It smells up the whole house. It makes it smell like a fresh bakery. Totally need to get yourself one. They're all on clearance right now, like the warm winter maple buttercream. Like these little winter ones are all on clearance. I got that one for $2.50. Smells so good. I'm about to buy one for everybody. So yeah, go ahead and get yourself one. So Leo went ahead and picked up this like chicken from Walmart. Like we have like a super center and he said it was really good. So I'm just putting that stuff away so they can have it for snack tomorrow. I think Leo actually took it to lunch. But yeah, I'm just wiping down my counters. I think you have to wipe down your counters at night, guys. If you don't do anything out of all this, wipe down your counters and make sure there's no dishes in the sink. And I'm telling you, you are going to feel like you have like a whole new day ahead of you. You're going to feel so great when you wake up in the morning and walk into a kitchen with clean counters and no dishes in the sink. I promise. I'm just wiping down the stove after dinner. That crock pot is going to have to wait overnight. And I'm going to go ahead and usually I let the dishes air dry. And by now, or we do our dishes a little bit earlier, but because everything was done later at night, I'm going to hand dry them. But I'm telling you, it just makes a world of difference putting these dishes away. I mean, oh my God, I love it. But Brea's helping me. You'll see her popping in and out there. Side note, how do you guys like all my little festive Valentine's Day decor? Those lights are giving off like a purple hue, but they're supposed to be like pink. And I have all my little trinkets and stuff that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And yeah, just making it a little festive around here. Doesn't hurt anybody. Okay, so I know there is some people who are like myself who just get the like greatest sense of joy and just it just hits the spot watching somebody clean their kitchen sink, especially when it gets real sudsy like this. I had to get up in there. Like I know there's somebody out there who's going to enjoy this as much as I am. Like when they see him like just scrubbing it and look at how sudsy it gets. Look at that. Oh, it's just the best feeling. So enjoy. Enjoy whoever is like me and enjoys these things. You're welcome.
Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier.
Okay, so just like my thoughts on the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products, I actually really enjoyed them. They didn't leave anything streaky. They got everything cleaned up. The fragrance they left behind was so nice. Like my house smelled so clean. It smelled like I just had like a plug-in like put in. Like it just smelled so good and fresh and clean. And you could tell right here, like it really cleans off this countertop. yeah, we just had some stuff on there. I mean, we live here, guys. This is a real house. Like, when I say my counter, like, I hate when people say, oh, there's crumbs on my counter, but you can't see them. You guys can see them. They're there. But yeah, so it does a really nice job. That Paw Patrol stuff, it's for my nephew. He's huge on Paw Patrol. So if you guys know where all the good Paw Patrol stuff is, let me know, because every time I find it, I pick it up. But I'm going to go ahead and vacuum. This is the Shark Ion. It broke because it doesn't stand up straight. Like, you can't lean it because it'll fall over. So I have like a piece of tape holding the canister together. I would really like to go ahead and just get the Dyson, but you know, eventually. But yeah, so I'm going ahead and vacuuming it up. Like I said, there is salt pieces all over. And then we have a dog, and it's like winter, so his winter coat's a little bit shedding, so he's getting a little dusty there. So I'm going to go ahead and just vacuum up the floors, get everything nice and clean. I mean, if you guys did not want to add this, you didn't have to, but like I said, we just had a fresh snowstorm, so those salt pieces are like stepping on Legos. They hurt, so get them done. What I also do is, because of the way our cabinets are on the bottom, they always collect like dust. So I go ahead and I take off the top part where it actually has like the little head of the vacuum, and I just like go around the edges of my kitchen. So you see, like, I get in like the corners and around the stove and all that stuff. So just to make sure I get all the pieces, and like I go around Benny's dog bowl because his like hair, and it's the furnace is going and it's dusty. I mean, it just needs to be done. So I'm going to go ahead and dry mop my floor. I am using this little squirt bottle right here on the side. This has Fabuloso in it, and I chose to do it this way instead of the way with the stuff that's already added in there, like their squirter, because it gives out a little bit more. And yeah, so I already had that on the side. So I went ahead, I'm just cleaning off the floors because of the salt. It leaves a lot of stains on the floor, and I'm afraid it's going to eat the finish off my wood floors. So I just make sure to go ahead and clean that up. So Benny likes to sleep when I clean. He doesn't like the vacuum or the mop or anything like that. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and I have it out. So I'm just like mopping my kitchen as well. But this, like, it's like a dry mop. It takes like no more than 5 minutes. But here is the finished product. Everything. Look at that. I mean, you wake up in the morning and you're going to say, I'm going to have me a cup of coffee. I'm going to sit on the couch. I'm going to read a chapter out of my book, and I'm going to conquer this day. You got to have the candle burning. I mean, come on. So yeah, there's my table. As you can see, it's pretty dark out already. And I wanted to show my lights for Valentine's Day because I love you, babes. And we're besties. So, I mean, this cleaning video got me like super duper hyped. Make sure you go ahead, get yourself that Grove Collaborative deal because, guys, it's really the biggest money saver. And make sure you go ahead and order it through the TopCashback because you spending money, you're going to save money. You're leaving money on the table. You know, you don't want to do that. But all right, babes, thanks so much for hanging with me. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Toodaloo!